Okay, this is a quick video showing basically if you have an old Kryptonite lock like this that you don't have the key for, you can't get into, there's a very easy way to change it. You can order one of these for about a third of the price or less the cost of a new lock. You can reuse your shackle, but first you have to get the old lock off, which you don't have a key. The easiest way is any angle grinder with a grinding wheel. You just cut it off close to here, going slowly so that you're not going to, you don't want to damage this end. You cut through near the lock, near the shackle, the end of the lock, you should be able to get it. So we're going to keep going. A well-made lock, as you can see, but it's virtually cut through now. I didn't want to have too dramatic of a break at the end, so I should be able to remove that piece Now this piece, probably going to take a little coaxing. There it is. Voila. Ready for the new lock, which I have a key for, and it's done. Ready to put it back together. Thank you.